Before I got my hands on the Triton, I really didn't know where to place my expectations with it. When I got to play with it and throw a couple of curveballs its way, I realized that any expectations that I would have had would have been completely blown away anyway. It's easy to set up, easy to use, the key database is comprehensive, and the 4-way jaw design is unlike any other I've ever seen before, and really, it works great. With the addition of the single-sided, Tibbe, and tubular jaws, the machine is really shaping up to be versatile well beyond its price point. It cuts Toyota 80K series without a shim or the need to change the cutter. HU101, HU66, HU64, HU92 keys don't need any kind of special jaws, and it cuts every side of the new Volkswagen Audi HU162 key without the use of any kind of special adapter. It's new to the industry, but it's really coming out swinging.